Tax-free bonds are an excellent way to boost your retirement portfolio, especially if you're looking for reliable income with minimal tax impact. If you're a retiree or approaching retirement, you know that every dollar you keep is crucial for your long-term financial health. And here's the thing. Tax-free bonds can help you grow your savings while avoiding hefty tax burdens. You might be wondering, how exactly can tax-free bonds benefit me? Well, the main draw is the interest income, which is exempt from federal taxes. If you're in a higher tax bracket, this could mean a significant difference in your overall returns. Not only that, but some state and local government bonds are exempt from state and local taxes too, making them a potentially even more lucrative option. But let me be real with you. While tax-free bonds are a solid option, they don't always provide the growth potential you might need to make your retirement dreams a reality. That's why many retirees are exploring gold IRAs as part of their retirement strategy. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description to grab a free gold IRA guide and consultation. This guide is packed with valuable info for retirees like you, and you'll learn why so many are choosing to secure their savings with gold. Now back to tax-free bonds. These bonds are typically issued by municipalities, such as states, cities, or counties, to fund various public projects. The beauty of these bonds is that the interest you earn is not subject to federal taxes, and in some cases state taxes, which means you get to keep more of your earnings. This makes them particularly attractive for retirees who want to generate steady income without worrying about the tax man taking too much. One important thing to note is that, like all investments, tax-free bonds come with risks. While they are considered low risk, the interest rates can fluctuate depending on market conditions. Also, municipal bonds are only as safe as the entity issuing them. If a city or state faces financial trouble, the bonds could be affected. But generally, municipal bonds are a relatively safe choice for those looking to preserve wealth. However, for retirees, the challenge with tax-free bonds is that they often offer lower yields compared to other investment opportunities, such as gold IRAs. And, as we all know, as inflation continues to rise, even low yields can feel like they aren't keeping up with your cost of living. That's why gold IRAs are gaining popularity. They provide an asset that's historically shown resilience in times of inflation and market volatility. So, if you're looking to boost your retirement portfolio, it's crucial to consider your long-term strategy. Tax-free bonds can be a part of the equation, but I encourage you to think beyond just bonds. Explore gold IRAs for a more balanced, diversified approach to protecting and growing your retirement savings. If you want to dive deeper into gold IRAs and learn how they can help you hedge against inflation and market risks, grab your free guide through the first link in the description. This is perfect for retirees who have $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even $5 in savings. Don't miss out. Get the info that can help you safeguard your wealth for years to come. In summary, tax-free bonds are a solid option for generating income in retirement, but they shouldn't be your only investment. Make sure to explore a range of options that can help you grow and protect your wealth, like gold IRAs, which are designed to stand the test of time and provide long-term security. If you're ready to take action, check out the free guide linked below and get the insight you need to make the best decisions for your future.